Mark Twain. Reflections on life and human nature in modern context. The enigma to forging a path forward lies within the art of igniting the initial spark. The twin paramount milestones in one's existence encompass the moment of one's birth and the revelation of their profound life's purpose. To triumph in the journey of life, one must possess a paradoxical blend of uninhibited audacity and blissful unawareness. The individual who abstains from reading gains no edge over the one who lacks the ability to read. Kindness serves as the universal tongue, audible to the deaf and visible to the blind. Courage materializes as the defiance of fear, the mastery over it, rather than its absence. The most effective means to uplift your own spirits is by endeavoring to bring joy to someone else. When you speak the truth, there's no need to retain a labyrinth of memories. Wrinkles, in essence, serve as gentle markers of the profound imprints left by past smiles. Why delay until tomorrow what could equally be accomplished the day after? The absence of wealth often forms the core of many moral and societal dilemmas. The magnitude of the battle within the dog eclipses the dog's physical stature in the fight. The profound solitude arises when one cannot find solace within their own self. The genteel reader shall remain blissfully unaware of the depths of foolishness they can attain until they venture beyond familiar shores. In moments of uncertainty, honesty remains the most reliable course. The challenge lies not in being willing to sacrifice for a friend, but in discovering a friend whose worth justifies such sacrifice. Someone who refuses to read gains no advantage over another who lacks the ability to read. While facts remain unyielding, statistics possess a certain flexibility that can be molded to suit various narratives. Gossip is a guilty pleasure, universally disavowed yet secretly relished by all. The deeper you delve into the explanation, the murkier my comprehension becomes. Act in accordance with what is morally right. It will bring satisfaction to some and astonishment to others. To truly savor the richness of joy, you must have someone with whom to share and divide it. The most effective means of foreseeing the future is to actively shape and craft it. The clandestine wellspring of humor resides not in happiness but in sorrow. Within the realm of heaven, humor finds no place. Never permit someone to occupy a central role in your life while you are merely an afterthought in theirs. A classic is a book that garners praise, yet often remains untouched on many people's bookshelves. Worrying is akin to settling a debt that isn't rightfully yours to bear. Throughout my life, I've been burdened by numerous worries, the majority of which never materialized. Humor stands as one of humanity's most splendid blessings. Actions may have a more significant impact than words, but they don't occur nearly as frequently. If you abstain from reading the newspaper, you risk being uninformed, but reading it might also lead to being misinformed. An individual with a novel idea is often regarded as eccentric until that idea proves successful. Thunder may be striking and impressive, but it is the lightning that carries out the real work. Individuals who labor solely for monetary gain, rather than for the love of their work, are unlikely to amass wealth or discover much joy in their lives. Whenever you discover yourself aligning with the majority, it's an opportune moment to pause and contemplate your stance. A clear conscience often indicates a poor memory for one's transgressions. Preserve your illusions, for when they fade, you may continue to exist, but your true vitality diminishes. Reserve the unvarnished truth for those who are deserving of it. If you choose to undertake a task, execute it with precision. Yet, if its enduring consequences are undesirable, reconsider the endeavor altogether. Avoid proclaiming that the world owes you a livelihood, for in truth, the world owes you nothing. It predates your existence. Amidst the world's array of humorous observations, one that stands out is the belief of the white man that he is somehow less savage than others.